아름다운 나라. 아름다운 나라. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 나라. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 나라. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 235. Nara. Nara. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is na, the second syllable is ra. Pronounce it with me. Nara. Nara. The Korean term nara means country. Again, nara is country. Now let's learn how to write nara in Hangul. This is composed of two syllables. To be able to write the first syllable na, we need to draw first a neon character followed by an a character. For the second syllable ra, we need to draw first a real character followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word nara. Again, neon plus a is na, and then real plus a is ra. And then na plus ra is nara. And that's how you write nara in Hangul. Now let's try to look into this example English phrase. It says, beautiful country. Again, beautiful country. The Korean translation of this is 아름다운 나라. Again, 아름다운 나라. The Korean translation could be divided into two, 아름다운 and 나라. 아름다운 is the Korean term for beautiful, and 나라 is the Korean term for country. So when we say 아름다운 나라, it means beautiful country. From which country are you from? I just think that every country is beautiful on its own. So feel free to use this phrase, 아름다운 나라, which means beautiful country. And with that, you've just learned 나라. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 225 to 234. But don't forget our word for today, word number 235, 나라, which means country. Word number 234 is 도시, which means city. Word number 233 is 화장실, which means bathroom. Word number 232 is 졸업하다. This is a root verb which means to graduate. Word number 231 is 년, which means year. Word number 230 is 여기, which means here. Word number 229 is 후, which means after. Word number 228 is 전에, which means before or formerly. Word number 227 is 분, which means minute. Word number 226 is 시, which means hour. And then the last for our review, word number 225 is 달, which means month. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.